morning, folks. It's Sunday morning up in this house, and of course we're always getting ready to go somewhere.
Happy Mother's Day to
I'm rocking my hair. Happy Mother's Day, guys, to all the mothers, the mother figures, everybody. Happy Mother's Day, guys. I love you guys so much. I gotta go charge this body around. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Say good morning. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Today we're gonna need an oil change.
An oil change, okay. Good morning, guys. I hope every single one of you had an amazing Mother's Day. I had an amazing Mother's Day. Today, we are heading to the house because when we went up there this weekend, the electricity, well, the power, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. The ceiling lights in our kitchen wasn't working. What's wrong? You want more fries?
Okay. When we went there on the weekend, it was working.
Yeah, when we went on Saturday, because we went twice. When we went on Saturday, it was working. And then when we went back Sunday morning, there was like a really bad storm. And all the lights and stuff worked except for the kitchen lights, the can lights in the kitchen. But the other side of the kitchen that powers the microwave and the refrigerator was working. So he went wrong and tried to fix it, because he says that if it's what is it, a short fuse or something like that, short circuit, that that's really bad. Or if it's just a bad breaker, if it's just a bad breaker, that's an easy fix. But he's worried about it, so we're gonna go talk to them and see what's up, and then we also need to get a closing date. So guys, let's see how many of us can fit in this closet. Go, Ginger, go, Ginger, go. Okay, we have Destiny, we got Jason, we got Jordan, we got Jackson, we got Maddie, we got Daddy. All right, let's see if we can all fit. Oh my gosh, 5 people. We all fit. Why? Why are we all in the closet?
There's a thumbtack right there.
Is it thumbtack?
Open the door.
Open the door. Alright, this is foolishness.
Right there.
Can y'all get out the closet? Get out the closet. They're coming out the closet. Out the closet. How many of them are in there?
Can you help me out?
No, I'm not helping you up. Why you sit down for? You
Stop! Get off!
Why are you yelling?
If anyone eats the last door,
Baby, why did you sit down?
I will
Come. Why did you sit down? No, I can't, babe. Don't break the drywall.
Come on.
Babe, I can't. Did you fart? Ew. Did you just fart? Oh my gosh. Okay. Ew, Destiny. Okay. Watch Maddie. Babe, why did you get stuck in the closet? Come.
You guys are
Ready? Oh my gosh.
Ow, man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Old people? Old people? Really? Babe, she said old people get stuck in the carpet. No. Why is your old self up in here?
They said old. Old.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Babe, put your back in it.
Yeah. Watching old people suffer in a closet, it's just weird.
What do you mean old people?
Wow.
Alright, come on out. Come. You guys can come out. It's safe. Oh. There goes. Whoa. Get back in the closet. Alright, that's enough foolishness.
Let's go, man. Daddy,
That's enough foolishness for one day.
21.
This is sad. Jackson owns more shoes than we do. How many pairs of shoes you own, Gia?
21. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
That's your little pile right there. That's it. Jackson outdid you?
Yeah.
So, I'm done. These are all her clothes. We took all the hangers. So, the American girls, I don't know if I should put them in boxes or just take them as is.
2 pairs.
Everything else is done. This is done. I don't know if I should sell this.
2 pairs you want to keep.
It no longer fits her, but it's just,
Because there's field day.
You can keep 2 pairs.
it just needs to be bleached. But it's a good pair of shoes. My husband was like, put it in the trash.
You want
No.
the blue Jordans out?
Because we already went to donation. We already donated a lot of
No, the
stuff.
white Jordans, they're in the front,
But he
right?
doesn't feel like going back to go just donate a shoe. So,
They're in the front.
Maddie,
Somewhere. I heard those shoes down there.
Keep 2 pairs out.
you don't want your sandals?
I want sandals.
We keep the sandals out. No, it's not for you to wear. It's for him to. Go ahead, Joe.
I can have them?
No.
No, they can't fit
2
you.
pairs of shoes, Jackson.
They can't fit you.
Okay.
I'm telling you, they can't fit you.
I have 22 shoes.
You found another
You
one?
gonna keep those out?
Yes.
Give them to me. Alright, so these are the 2 you're keeping out.
Why the light up shoes? They don't even work.
The light up shoes don't work anymore?
Yeah, but he likes the.
Charge them.
Alright, okay, pack up all of this.
All this goes in the
Just-
box neatly.
Neatly put them in the box.
Try to keep him neat.
Oh, hi. Why am I too tiny?
Why are you so tiny?
from?
He said, why am I too tiny? What? Why is Maddie under the bed?
Break that little piece right
Oh!
Maddie, get from
Break
under
that
the
little
bed,
piece.
babe.
Jaxson, wait. Jaxson, wait.
Maddie's under the bed. Maddie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
there.
Like, hi, vlog.
She has a sleeping mask on, but it's backwards. You get it, girl. Yeah, you get it, girl. Yeah, you get it, girl.
Your rain boots? Yeah, you can put them in order over there too.
The rain boots. You gotta pack the rain boots
Are
away.
they stained or wet?
They're stained. They just need to be
They
cleaned.
gotta be brushed.
I don't clean hugs.
You go.
She just wears them until she doesn't fit them anymore,
You don't
and
need them.
she gets a new one. That's how it is. So she just usually wears them until.
I kind of said where we're going, so you might not want to add that in.
I will edit that.
Yeah. I don't want anybody to know.
I didn't tell anyone where we're moving to.
I have 22 shoes.
There you go.
So do you have your shoes plus what the shoes Dylan gave you?
Yeah.
Yeah, grandma's shoes, yeah.
Okay, so the twins, everything is off their walls, and their dad packed up their dresser. Their dad packed up their dresser. Their clothes for the week is up there. I'm done. This is it. This is it, right?
No. What am I doing with my bed? Mommy.
Oh, that's your problem.
Am I a singer? Oh.
I'm making escafish. So I know the fish with the eyes and stuff. I don't know. My husband don't eat them, but I just go ahead and fry them because I don't know. Usually I end up eating them, or it
What's
just
that, the head?
yeah.
I eat the head.
You eat the head? Okay.
I'm not a fan of it.
So I'm making escafish with the whole head in here, and then it's gonna go with some festival and Johnny cakes, and then this is just bell pepper, habanero pepper, and some onions underneath, and yeah, that's what's for dinner. Okay, this is the pepper and the onion and the habanero pepper, and it has some onion juice, some lemon juice I mean, and then I'll show you what I put in here. Some of this vinegar, and it is so good. Like, this is what makes the fish really yummy. So just gonna let this saute down a little bit, and then we're gonna pour it over the fish over there. Really good. Okay, so this is what the I think it's too spicy. This is what the fish looks like, and I think it looks good. It looks so yummy. It's a little burnt in some area, but we don't care. Okay, this was the fried dumplings look like. And those are called Johnny Cake. And you can put powdered sugar on it if you want, but my husband, it's not really. The kids like the powdered sugar, but my husband, nah. So this is dinner. Don't mind my hair at all, people. So a bit of an update on the house. We spoke to the project manager on Monday when we went up there, and he reassured us that, you know, everything, including with the lights and everything and the electricity, weren't at their final stage. Like it wasn't, you know, people didn't come and make sure that it was all checked or whatever. He just fed us a bunch of, you know, don't worry, this, not. But what happened is he went to the house, he recognized that there was a problem, and when we brought it up, because we didn't want to let him know that we broke in the house on Saturday and Sunday, when we went in, we immediately flicked the light, and he was like, oh, don't worry about that, we don't even know why they turned that off. But then we realized that he went in the house and turned on all the lights for us, because there was already muddy foot tracks and stuff. So he went and he did that, and then when we went downstairs, we were trying to point out to him that the breaker thing, if it was that, and he was like, oh, don't worry about it, they'll get to it though. But he didn't want us to turn it on, because when you turn it on, it immediately trips. It doesn't stay on. So he knew there was a problem, you know, but he was on it, because as soon as it took us like 30 minutes to walk through the whole entire house, he walked us through the whole entire house and stuff. And after we were done walking, the electrician showed up, and you know, that means that he was on top of it, you know what I mean? But house is final. We got our final coat of paint. The drywalls and everything are done. Cabinets, countertops, we were waiting on 2 vanities. Those came in. Everything about the house is complete. It's done. It's cleaned. It's locked up. We can't go back. Shh, guys, too loud. We can't go back in until we do our walkthrough, which is at the end of this month, which is May. So yeah, but we still don't have a closing date. What happened is he submitted 4 houses for an address. Only 2 came back. Unfortunately, one of the houses that came back for an address is the house beside us that started building way after us. So they got their closing date. We're still waiting on the closing date. We can't get a closing date until we get a water meter. We can't get a water meter until we get an address. We can't get an address because the county is not spitting out address fast enough, you know. So that's our dilemma, that's our problem. And I just wanted to update, because I was editing and I realized that I don't have an ending to what I was talking about in the clip. So you guys will see what it is that I was talking about. But anyways, I want to show you guys the kids, my husband, the apartment. It's just wreck. I'm just over it. I'm done. I'm sure you guys are over me talking. I'm sure you guys are like, that this is the longest moving process you have ever had to watch in your whole entire life, and I don't know why that kid is there. But I am so appreciative of each and every one of you watching my videos and supporting us and wanting to see our journey and the process and everything. And I promise you guys, once this is over, I will do a sit down video on how it is that we were able to achieve building a brand new house on a 1-income family with 5 children. And it's just like, yes, I will explain it. My motto in life is, if you are able to do something in life, it's essential, or it's important for you to help others to achieve, and not just do it and just like, okay, I'm gonna keep my secret to myself. I'm gonna tell you guys how we were able to do it, and it's very attainable or achievable. You can, what you guys know what I'm trying to say. You can achieve the same thing. Even if you think you can't, you can. Anyways, I'm done ranting, and I'll show you guys the kiddos. So we have Miss Destiny right here. I don't know what she's doing. She's been into just ignore that child. We have a bunch of boxes and clothes and just, but the main people of all, yes. Hi, how are you? Hi. Say hi, Sunshine. Her hair needs to be done. But I'm going to show you guys the most important, not the most important. Someone take this up and bring it to the kitchen.
Not me.
We got a mattress topper. Too much noise. It really is. So we got a mattress topper from $200. Wow. But I'm telling you guys, if you guys have a bed or a mattress, because I can't get this man out the bed. Since we bought it, he's just been there. Hi. Hi. Go back up a little bit. Say hi. Oh, it's good. What's up, Rob? Say hi. Say hi and make sure you smile, please.
No.
Like, no.
Say hi and make sure you smile, Rob. Say hi and make sure you smile.
Stop recording it.
Anyway, guys, that is it for the day.
You didn't do me.
I need to get a haircut.
You didn't do me.
Oh. Say hi. Where are you? Right there. He's right there. Anyways, folks, that's it. I just figured I would do an update, a little bit of update. It's raining. It's been raining like crazy. Hi. Hi.
I wish you guys were here with us.
I know. I wish you guys were here with us.
No,
That's kind of creepy. Hey! Nothing against a lot of you guys. I would love to have as friends and like, you know, next door neighbor kind of ish. But a lot of people I don't know, and I'm just like,
All was our next door is something neighbor.
Anyways, people,
I know.
my hair. Update on my hair. It's not. I cut my hair, but it's not like an actual haircut. I just chopped it off so that it could start growing. So that it could start growing back healthy. But I need like a shape up and a nice little, you know, shortcut or stuff. But my husband won't let me touch it.
Stop.
He was against it all along. But my hair was bad, and he knew it was bad. But hi, oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. Her diaper's full.
Yours to me, they give me signals.
So, hubby knew it was bad. Hubby knew the hair was bad. So, and he knew it had to go. Where you going? How you doing? How you doing? She poo-poo. You poo-poo?
Jaxson.
Jaxson.
Jaxson, let's take it down.
You're doing too much.
Fine, give me 10 seconds.
This is where everybody ends up. Is in my room. What is this? Babe, what is this?
My balls.
Ew. Oh, why am I so close to it? Anyways, folks, this is it for this week. I'm trying to do daily vlogs.
You didn't hear me say that to Jaxson?
I'm trying to do daily vlogs, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.